Good evening, sir. Ito po yung project scenario ko. Making a airsoft game schedule using combination without repetition and exception handling. Base po ito do sa sample na binigay niyo, sir. Ito po, there is a monthly department airsoft competition among IT, education, and business and engineering departments of a small college. Herbie, who is a computer science student, was invited by the sports committee to develop a C++ program to schedule games automatically in an effort to accelerate the process. Herbie hoped that every squad would play everyone once and not twice and not self-play. He employed combinations with no repetition to assist him in doing that. With four groups A, B, C, and D, for instance, the unique pairs would be A versus B, A versus C, A versus D, B versus C, B versus D, and C versus D. Yung program po, ma-match po siya ng mga, nung four teams A, B, C, D without, yung A team kakalabanin yung the same team ulit after nilang kinalaban. And then, hindi pwedeng mag A versus A, ganun. Tapos, dito sa exception handling niya, yung mga errors na lalabas pag mali yung input. No squad to match up. The program creates an exception with the message invalid input if there must be at least two squads. If there are fewer than two squads. If kulang yung yung squads, maglalabas yung error na invalid input. There must be at least two squads. And then no squad name. If nilagay nung user wala siyang nilagay na squad, magiging siya. Error squad name cannot be empty. And then repeated squad names. For example, nito yung kuwari yung A team tapos sinulat ulit A team, lalabas yung error na error squad names must be unique. Tapos unexpected error. Ito yung mga unexpected na nilagay. For example, naglagay ng number na hindi wala sa scope, siya, error, unexpected error siya. Ito po yung code. Ito po yung code. Ito po yung number of teams, yung naglalagay po nag-input po ng mga teams. Without duplication. Tapos 4, ito po yung loop lalagay sa first team and second team po. Ito po. Tapos ito po yung main function. Ito po yung nagsi-in dun sa number of squads. Ito po yung dun sa if number of squads ay 4. Else siya. Ito, throw niya yung invalid argument na invalid input. There must be at least 4 squads. Tapos vector, ito yung lalagay ng team. Tapos ito yung nagse-set ng unique name, squad names. Ito naman yung para do sa number of squads. Tapos ito yung squad names number 1 last one sa sa first sa unang team. If squad name empty, ito yung do sa error na pag walang nilagay na pangalan. Tapos ito yung do sa sa unique name pag magkaparehas. Mag-throw siya ng error na squad names must be unique. Ito yung do sa sa squad ay sa airsoft team. Tapos squad name. Tapos unique squad name. Para dito. Generate airsoft matchup. Ito yung do sa ito. Tapos ito yung catch. Catch. Then ito po nagra-run. Pag nilagay pong 3, malalabas po yung at least 4 squads. Tapos pag duplicate name, squad name must be unique. Tapos pag walang nilagay, name cannot be empty. So yung yun lang po.